Shri Bhagwati presents Rotary Gripper Vial Washing Machine. A rotary gripper vial washing machine is a specialized piece of pharmaceutical equipment designed to clean and sanitize glass vials using a rotary gripper mechanism. This type of vial washing machine is commonly used in pharmaceutical manufacturing to ensure the cleanliness and sterility of vials before they are filled with sensitive injectable medications. A rotary gripper vial washing machine is an advanced and highly efficient pharmaceutical machinery designed to address the specific cleaning requirements of glass vials. It employs a rotary gripper system, which is a key feature distinguishing it from other vial washing machines. In summary, a rotary gripper vial washing machine is a specialized piece of pharmaceutical equipment that employs a rotary gripper mechanism to efficiently and accurately clean and sterilize glass vials. Its precision, compliance with regulations, and adaptability make it a crucial component in pharmaceutical production facilities, ensuring the highest levels of cleanliness and sterility for vials used in the manufacture of injectable drugs. Thanks for watching. For inquiry, contact below mobile number or email ID.